Here we have this 2020 20-plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 2 litre bi-turbo. Now, as you can see, this vehicle is fitted with the wide arch kit. It makes this car really stand out from the rest. You have the daylight running LED side lights and also the daylight running lights in the grille. We have your bonnet vent up there as well as your lower bash bar. Side steps on either side of this vehicle with your roof bars up there. We have your black window trim, your privacy glass on the rear, front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We have your tow bar just down there with your electrics as well. Now, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. You get a nice spacious sized bed just there as well. Opening up, you have your full leather seats with the ISOFIX points pull down armrest. You also have your rubber floor mats down there. 230 and 12 volt connectivity, storage panel passenger and driver seat, electric windows. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Again, full leather. Both driver and passenger are full leather and are heated. Electric windows. You have your electric power forward motor, auto lights, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. You also have your lane keeping assist on the end of the indicator stalk. As you can see, vehicle is free from any more lights on the dashboard and has covered just under 34,400 miles. Screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front and rear parking sensors, rear reversing camera, dual zone climate control just down there with your heated seats. Just looking here, you have your parking sensors, your traction control on and off, rear locking diff, and also downhill ascent assist. 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive low. Very, very capable off-road vehicle this is, thanks to your locking rear diff and also the high and low range gearbox. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today, free contactless nationwide next day delivery, HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.